Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and today I want to show you a new kit I have in the shop, and it is a digital to digital file. And actually this will be like a monthly digital subscription kit, but let me just go ahead and show you. So first off, we have these papers. Actually, you can use them as like papers, as dashboards, or you can print them tiny and just use them as squares or decoration in your planner. This is the first one, and this one says she believed she could, so she did. So you get it with the quote and a blank one. And then this is the second one. It also has a quote and a blank one. This one says create the life of your dreams. And they both come in two color schemes. So this is the lighter color scheme, and I printed this one a bit smaller so you can see. This is kind of how it would look if you had maybe a personal sized or a pocket planner. You can print it, I don't know, almost journal card size. And I printed these on regular paper. Let me see. I think I printed, yeah, this one is kind of printed on, it's a cardstock with a soft gloss to it. And I also printed it on vellum, because I did print it on vellum to use in my planner. So this would be great for a dashboard if you wanted to put something underneath it. Oh, and this is another one printed on like that glossy cardstock. Then we have, this is kind of, in the digital, this sheet will be called Deco and Dolls, but it's basically just a sheet with everything on it, and you get these 3 dolls, and it comes in 3 skin tones. And this is one of the things I was kind of excited about. Like when I put stickers in my shop, I normally just do 2 skin tones because it's a lot to print. So I figured this way I can add more skin tones. So there it is in 3. And it does, you can print it without, but this one has a very subtle cut line around each graphic. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it is there. So one will be called 1 and 1A. So the one with the cut line is like a 1A. Oh, another thing, you can print these as big or as little, whatever size you want. Then this is just a sheet with boxes, half boxes. And you can print them at this size or go teeny tiny if you like those tiny boxes in your printer. The other thing, they're available in 3 formats. You get the PNG, which you can cut with a Cricut, the PDF, which you can just print and cut and use anywhere, and also the SVG if you have a silhouette. So you don't need a cutting machine to use these. And then we have the papers. It comes with 2 papers. One is these bows, and then we have the hairpins. And you can use these for just about anything, dashboards or dividers in your planners. I use these as dividers. I'll leave the link to my planner setup. I use this whole kit to set up my mini happy planner. So this is the paper, and I also printed it in vellum. That's how it looks in vellum. So for my planner, I did print some of these on vellum and laminate them. And then last we have these bow tabs. Let me see, that's how it looks with the cut lines and without. And you don't have to use these as tabs. You can just, I don't know, whatever, however you like to use them. But they cut out, well, these have been printed on cardstock and laminated. But you can make little planner tabs with these. And last we have the die cuts. And everything in here, you can print it. You can use it as a sticker or a die cut. But I love to use everything as a die cut. Like This is kind of my favorite. Oh, let me show you this one. The other thing, you can print it at different sizes depending on what planner you're using or what project you're using. Oh, let me also show you. This is how that same one looks on vellum. And this is one of the main reasons I wanted to do like a digital kit subscription. I like making stuff for my planners. I like showing you all the different things, but sometimes if you don't have the file, it's kind of hard to recreate. So this is this same die cut printed on vellum and laminated. I don't know if you can see, it has like a Happy Planner punch side on there. It's clear plastic, and then on the back I glued a piece of clear plastic to add some stickers, and this pops right into my planner. So the subscription kit is a way for me to send you everything and show you like all the planner projects that I'll be working on, and you can have the file to create it as I go along. And I think I went through all of these. So, and I haven't done it yet, but I do plan on making a similar project with this coffee cup. I may do a tutorial on this one. But this is my favorite because you can use it as a sticker, a die cut, or the idea I have, you can use it as a dashboard and just put a bunch of tiny sticky notes right there. So that is it for the kit. I will leave the link in the description box, and stay tuned for all my planner setups, DIYs, and everything planner related.